Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. I know it's been a while. We're back into another lesson. We're still in Surat al Baqarah, and we are on ayah number 229. 229, and we are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So what we have here is you have alif lam and then it goes into the ta. So we would read at-talaqu. At-talaqu, the lam is extended there. At-talaqu marratani. Marratani. So you have marra Tani fa im. This hamza here is joining with the mim here that has a sukoon. Fa im sakun. Sa, because after the sin you have the alif. Fa im sakun. Normally this would have been kun. Fa im sakun. But because we have a ba followed by after the tanween, this would actually turn into the mum. So instead of kun, it would be kum. Kum. فَإِمْسَاكُمْ بِمَعْرُوفٍ. So فَإِمْسَاكُمْ بِمَعْرُوفٍ. So الطلاق مرتان فإمساكم بمعروف أو تسريح. تسريح. Now we have another meme there. It would have been tasrihun, but because the ba, there it is again, that's a rule. If the ba is coming up, then instead of becomes So tasrihun bi ihsan. So tasrihun bi ihsan. ولا يحل لكم أن تأخذوا. So you have أن, right? تأخذوا مما آتيتمو. Because the alif there after the hamza. آتيتموهن شيئا إلا أن بيا شيئا إلا أن يخافا. So إلا أن يخافا. There's a mad there on the alif. So يخافا ألا يقيما. This alif could be a little tricky. So ألا يقيما. Okay, instead of يقيما. يقيما حدود الله. ألا يقيما حدود الله. Okay, continuing on. فإن خفتم ألا يقيما حدود الله فلا جناح. فلا, the alif just extends the la there a little bit. فلا جناح, that extends the noon there, that alif. جناح عليهما فيما. Now when you have fima here, this goes straight to the fa. But the fa has a sukoon. So how would we read this? Fi maf. ما افتدت به عليه ما فيما افتدت به تلك حدود الله فلا تعتدوها. So فلا تعتدوها. Jim's a good place to pause there. ومن, but noon sakinat followed by ya. ومن يتعد حدود الله فأولئك هم الظالمون. فأولئك هم الظالمون. All right, I know that's a long ayah, inshallah. We're going to stop there. We'll try to get another one up soon. Jazakumullah khair. I just want to put up a quick video. Please let me know if it's okay, the speed, not too fast, not too slow. Inshallah, barakallahu fikum. Keep us in du'as. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.